Hey everyone, Rick here, Rick's Automotive. Got a 2006 Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the clock. But first, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Click the little bell up top so you don't miss out on anything. I'm going to show you guys how to reset your clock on your 2006 Murano. Right here in the middle, above all your HVAC settings in your radio, you'll have a button. It's directly in the middle of your display. It's got an H and an M. H is for hours, M is for minutes. You'll notice next to the H there's a little clock set on 3 o'clock. You're going to want to hold that button down until the clock on the display starts blinking. You've got about 10 seconds to set the time. If you don't get it in 10 seconds, don't worry, just go back and hold that button down again. Now here it is 8. Yep, see, I missed it, so I'm going to hold it back down again. There we go. Here it's 8:31. So just hit that till it's 8. Go to the minutes till we're on 31. There you go. Just let it sit. It'll blink a couple times, about 10 seconds, and then once it stops blinking, you're all set. All right, there you have it. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Check that little bell up top so you don't miss out on anything, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.